Good morning students. Students, in this video we will be going through exercise 2.5 question number 6 and onwards. So write the following cubes in expanded form 2x plus 1 whole cube. So students, we know that a plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here a is 2x and b is 1. So it is 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x square into 1. We are just using the formula plus 3ab square. AB square means 3 into 2x into 1 square. So 2x whole cube is 8x cube plus 1 plus 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12x square plus 3 into 2x 6x. So you can reorder and write down as 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Now let us come to the bit number 4. X minus 2y whole cube. Here a is x and b is 2 by 3 y. Now the formula is the same. Here it was plus, here it is a minus. So it is a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So the only difference in these two formula is that here in place of plus it will be minus and in this place it will be minus. Okay. Now x whole cube minus 2 by 3 y whole cube minus 3a square b. A is x square into 2 by 3 y plus 3ab square. A is x into 2 by 3 y whole square. So it is x cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So it is 8 by 27 y cube minus 3a square b. 3 into x square into 2 by 3 y. So 3 cancel plus 3 into ab square. A is x, b is 2 by 3 whole square, y whole square. So 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 3 cancel, 3 and 9 cancel, here 3 becomes. So x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. Now let us come to the answer number 7, 99 cube. So 99 cube, you will not write directly that 99 into 99 into 99. You are going to use the formula that is identity. So that is 99 can be written in the form 100 minus 1 whole cube. So it is a minus b whole cube. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in this formula we will substitute and we will be getting the solution as 970299. In the same way, 998 cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Now this is a and this is b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So the same formula we will solve and we will be getting this answer. Now factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this question is in the form of a plus b whole cube. It is in the expanded form. So you have to see whether it is in the form of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Fine. So 8a cube can be written as 2a cube b cube plus 3a square b. 3a. A is 2a, 2a square and b. So 3 into 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12. So it is satisfying. Okay. Now you see 3ab square. 3 into a. A is 2a and b square. Okay. So 3 2 just 6 ab square. It is also satisfying. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Whose formula? A plus b whole cube. A is what? 2a. B is what? Simply b. So it is 2a plus b whole cube. Now come to the bit number 3. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So by seeing this I can understand this is not the a plus b whole cube. It will be a minus b whole cube. So let us see. So 64a cube can be written as 4a whole cube. 27 can be written as 3b whole cube. Similarly, minus formula is 3a square b. 3 into a square. A is 4a. So it is 4a square into b is 3b. Now multiply and see. So 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 will come 144. Fine. Similarly, 3 square is 9, 9 4 is 36, 36 into 3 will come 108 AB square. So it is also satisfying. So that means that this is A minus B whole cube. So here A is 4A and B is 3B. So it is 4A minus 3B. So in this video we have gone through the question number 6, 7 and 8. In the next video we will be going through question number 9 and onwards. Thank you.